Alright, what up guys? Today was going to be a little video on the Z125 subcage tutorial, but without being able to take it off and take off the stock fender, I want to be able to do that for you guys, so I think we're going to do the foot pegs and the bars today, and then at some point whenever we switch this subcage and 12 bar out, then we can make another tutorial video for you guys. And also some people wanted to know about the headlight. I got the headlight on eBay. It was one of the Thailand headlight assemblies. It has a bigger headlight frame, and there are little lights and holes back there. Holes, sorry. There are lights here and here, not lights back here. But the stock one cuts it off right about here. This one has a lot more vision, and I just like the look versus where the blinkers are up here. So, yep, that was off eBay. And another thing people were asking about was where I got the seal savers and the grips. The seal savers I got from Six Shop. They stock them for any bike. I have gold on the 636 and black on the Z125. And then the grips are just regular pro tapers. I actually ordered those off stuntdaily.com. And then on the other side, I just have a regular one finger grip that came with. So yeah, so today I think we're going to make a video on the foot pegs and bars. We'll do gas cap and the little carbon fiber. That thing's so annoying. We will do the gas cap and little extra aftermarket carbon fiber panel. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep watching for more videos, and yeah, see you guys later today.